Tuesday, and we have a tornado warning in progress for the southern side of the Birmingham, Alabama metro area. And we're going to get in there and talk about it in just a second. I'm going to post a few social media updates here just to get the word out about our live stream now coming up. But again, a tornado warning has been issued for the southern side of Birmingham. This includes a portion of the Interstate 459 there in the southern side of Birmingham. And this is going to be in effect until 6:15 p.m. We've got a confirmed tornado near Bessemer, and this was confirmed by radar. And so what we're doing is posting social media updates right now to talk about this. Hang with me, and we're going to get in there and look at it. Again, a tornado warning with a confirmed tornado on the ground in the southern side of the city of Birmingham. So hang with me while we get our live stream up. Again, current time 5:51. If you're in the southern side of Birmingham, Hoover, the southern side of Hoover there, Bessemer, Alabaster, you need to be sheltered right now as we've got this tornado warning. And again, we've got this tornado warning polygon there in the southern side of Birmingham. So tell you what, let's go ahead and have a look at this thing. By the way, if you're in southwest Alabama, I know we have a few folks watching in the southwestern part of the state. No issues right now for southwest Alabama and northwest Florida. You're looking at central Alabama, and this is the greater Birmingham area. Here's your tornado warning polygon right in through here. You've got Interstate 65 here. This is south of exit 250, which is right there. That's the exit with Interstate 459. And you've also got Interstate 459 here in Bessemer. Here's your possible tornado, or now radar confirmed tornado, I should say. And this is sliding off to the southeast. So let's look at our high def radar here. What I'm doing is shifting gears because we had a severe thunderstorm warning in effect for the northern part of the Birmingham metro area about, say, 10 minutes ago, but now we have a tornado warning. So let's look at this, and we'll look at our correlation coefficient product to see exactly what the Weather Service saw to trigger this warning. And we're looking from the Birmingham NextRad site, and you can see at the very end of the frame there, as we back this up, what appears to be a TDS, tornadic debris signature. Let's look at the velocity. All right, so no doubt, right in through here, this is your area of rotation, and it's approaching Pelham and Alabaster, moving from the west to the east. No travel right now on Interstate 65 and anywhere in Shelby County, basically south of Hoover here in Jefferson County, all the way down to the Shelby County line. They're near Calera. That's where this possible tornado is, right in through here. And this likely will not be a warning that lasts very long, but the bottom line is if you know someone in Shelby County, they need to be taking shelters. We've got this possible tornado approaching Pelham. This is a very populated area, and the reason we're on the live stream right now is because I know we've got many folks who care about this area in the southern side of the Birmingham metro. Understand, if you know someone in Birmingham, we need to be very, very specific about this. Much of the area here in Birmingham is under a severe thunderstorm warning, but it's the southern side right in through here that's under the tornado warning, basically south of Hoover. If you're in downtown Birmingham, Fairfield, anywhere near Legion Field, or the hospitals in downtown Birmingham, no tornado warning. This is to the south, and this includes the southern fringe of the Birmingham metro, basically Bessemer and points west. This does include Chelsea, which sits along US Highway 280, and this also includes Alabaster and Pelham along Interstate 65. Let's zoom in to the polygon here. Excuse me. And this is north of Montevallo and also north of Calera, which sits to the south here on Interstate 65. Your NextRad site, the radar site, is right here. It actually sits on the east side of Interstate 65. Your National Weather Service office sits right across the interstate there. And so places near there and points north, all the way up here to exit 250 on Interstate 65, which is right here, and points south. Anywhere near Pelham, Indian Springs Village, Alabaster. be in a safe place right now. Lowest floor, site-built structure, away from windows and doors. And if you know someone in this area, because what's happening is we've got a lot of folks tuning in from southwest Alabama and northwest Florida. You need to call them if they're in Shelby County and let them know that we've got this possible tornado right in through here, basically on top of Pelham right now. And this thing is moving off to the east at a very rapid clip. So no travel is advised on Interstate 65. We've got a lot of folks coming out of the Birmingham Metro, being that it's 5 o'clock rush hour. No travel right now on 65 south of Birmingham, and also no travel going north into the greater Birmingham area, basically from the Shelby County line and points north. Now, let's zoom out and show you what's going on around the region and really around the state. We'll go to our other radar source here. We did post on Facebook a moment ago that we have this new severe thunderstorm watch, and understand this does not, excuse me, this does not include portions of southwest Alabama or northwest Florida. This is strictly basically Linden over to Selma, Montgomery, Auburn, points north. And this does include Birmingham and Atlanta. But the only warning that we have right now in terms of tornado warning across the state is right in through here in the southern part of Jefferson and also Shelby County. So again, let's zoom in there. Here's your storm. And right here, you've got Bessemer. That's this western part of the Birmingham Metro. And this is Interstate 459. You've got the River Chase Galleria, which sits right in through here. This is south of the Galleria. If you know someone that may happen to be at the Galleria right now, you need to call them and let them know they don't need to be traveling south into this tornado warning polygon. No travel right now on Interstate 65. And also, this is U.S. Highway number 280, which is a major corridor there in the southwestern flank of the Birmingham Metro. No travel right now south on U.S. Highway 280 into Chelsea. You've got this mini hill and mountain range here south of the Summit there, which sits right in through here at the intersection of 459 and 280. The Summit Shopping Center, no travel south of there. We've got this tornado warning polygon, and we've got an update from the National Weather Service now. Let's go ahead and see that and see what they're saying. Again, this is the only tornado warning that we have across Alabama right now, so certainly some good news. But if you know someone in Shelby County, a very serious situation, as we've got this possible tornado right in through here, moving off to the east, likely very near Interstate 65 right now. We did have a report about 10 minutes ago in the northern part of the Birmingham Metro near Fairfield of trees being down, and that's why we've got these severe thunderstorm warnings out for portions of Jefferson and Shelby, and actually the eastern flank of Tuscaloosa County was also included in a severe thunderstorm warning moments ago. That's since been allowed to expire. You note we do have heavy rain along Interstate 2059 here to the east of Tuscaloosa, so if you know someone traveling between Birmingham and Tuscaloosa at this hour, lots of heavy rain, but no warning on that stretch of interstate right now. The only warnings we have are in the greater Birmingham area, and to the south we've got this tornado warning here in Shelby County. So, and also we've now got a report that, unconfirmed reports, I should say, of injuries due to this possible tornado back in through Bessemer, right in through here. So now unconfirmed reports of injuries. This has all happened very fast. And understand, normally on this RedZone Weather live stream, we like to cover southwest Alabama and northwest Florida, but we have a lot of folks interested in the greater Birmingham area, Tuscaloosa, and Shelby County as well. And so that's why we're here talking about this tornado warning. This thing is not going to last long, and we'll get out of your hair in a minute. But again, lots of sirens going off in the Birmingham Metro, but again, the threat is to the south. This tornado warning does not include downtown Birmingham, anywhere near the major hospitals. This does not include Warrior, also Gardendale, Fultondale, anywhere along the US 78 future I-22 corridor. Those areas are not included in this tornado warning polygon. This is strictly for Shelby County, basically the River Chase Galleria and points south down to just to the south of Alabaster, very near our National Weather Service office here in Birmingham. The Birmingham Weather Service sits just to the south of Alabaster near the Shelby County Airport. In fact, that's one of your exits right here along Interstate 65. So if you know someone in this area, no travel right now, as we've got this tornado warning that continues until 6:15. The current time is 6 p.m. I'm Spinks Megginson. You're watching live RedZone Weather tornado coverage, tornado warning coverage, I should say. We are in Bruton, Alabama, and we're talking about this metropolitan tornado warning, and it's just been allowed to expire or cancel. So what we're going to do is talk about the damage and also the injuries that have apparently occurred. Again, those are unconfirmed reports of injuries due to this possible tornado that moved back in through here in the western side of the Birmingham metro near Bessemer, and the storm has now shifted off to the east, paralleling Interstate 65 right now. And so again, no tornado warnings anywhere across Alabama and northwest Florida as of 6:01 p.m. We do have a severe thunderstorm watch that's in effect. Let's zoom out here and so you can see exactly who's in and who's out. Montgomery, Selma, Demopolis, Linden points north, all the way up to Birmingham, Tuscaloosa, Anniston points south. All of these areas are included. Centerville, Alex City, Rockford, Valley, Wadowee, all included in this severe thunderstorm watch that's on the board until 1 a.m. If you're watching from southwest Alabama and northwest Florida, no issues on our radar. In fact, we don't really see any precipitation happening in southwest Alabama. We do know we've got storms firing right now in eastern Choctaw County, Marengo, and Perry counties. Those are going to continue to slide to the southeast over the next few hours. But again, the severe thunderstorm watch is in effect for central Alabama, and we just had this tornado warning canceled in Shelby County moments ago. And so what I'm doing now is scanning the Twitter traffic here just to see what has transpired in this region. And actually, let's open our NWS chat panel as well. We have this direct connection with the National Weather Service office in Birmingham and in Mobile. And this area that had this possible tornado right in through here is covered by the Birmingham National Weather Service office. And so let's go in our NWS chat and see exactly what's happened. Again, the tornado warning for Jefferson and Shelby is now off the board, which is good news. We now have a severe thunderstorm warning in progress for Shelby County, and that's going to be on the board until, let's see here, until 6:30, so the next 28 minutes basically, and that's this polygon right in through here. That includes Chelsea, also Alabaster, Pelham, and the eastern sections of Shelby County there on U.S. Highway 280, all included in this severe thunderstorm warning. So no travel right now is advised south of the Birmingham metro traveling on 280 out here towards Chelsea. No travel out of the Birmingham metro area headed south on Interstate 65. And also, if you happen to be in Montgomery headed north or Clanton on 65, you don't want to travel into this severe thunderstorm as we could have some damaging straight line winds and also some large hail. Again, looking at our NWS chat feed here to see exactly what's transpired in the greater Birmingham area from this possible tornado. And we do now have damage very near the Bent Brook Golf Course right in through here in Bessemer. In fact, you can see these icons that have just popped up. That's what that local storm report is there in Jefferson County. But no doubt about it, something has happened in southern Jefferson County very near Bessemer as this complex of storms moved through. Possibly a brief spin-up tornado, or it could have been damaging straight-line winds. What will happen tomorrow is the National Weather Service office in Birmingham will send out a survey team to this area to determine exactly what happened. But again, the current time is 6:03 p.m. We now have a confirmed report of golf ball-sized hail very near Bessemer. So, in fact, it's going to be west-southwest of Bessemer, right in through here, near the interchange of Interstate 2059 and also 459 near McCalla there. So, golf ball-sized hail fell when the storms that have now since moved into Shelby County moved through Bessemer about 20 minutes ago. And so that's the deal with that. Let's go over to our other radar product here, and we'll go to our reflectivity just so you can see exactly how active this radar is. Lots of lightning, lots of thunder associated with these storms, and clearly the stronger storms now are here in Shelby County and back here over eastern Alabama. This is Interstate 20 that connects Birmingham over to Atlanta via Anniston. Lots of heavy rain and storms in Calhoun, Talladega, and the southern side of St. Clair County right now. Lots of lightning, but again, no severe thunderstorm or tornado warnings associated with these storms, but we do have this severe thunderstorm warning right here for much of Shelby County, including Alabaster, Pelham, Columbiana, and Chelsea until 6:30. And a reminder, the severe thunderstorm warning continues for much of central Alabama until 1 a.m. With no tornado warnings on the board, what we're going to do is end our coverage for now. If we have tornado warnings for any of the major metropolitan areas in Alabama or southwest Alabama and northwest Florida, we will of course come back on the live stream and tell you the latest. We covered these 7 counties: Washington, Clark, Monroe, Conecuh, Escambia, Baldwin, and Mobile counties in southwest Alabama, and also Escambia, Santa Rosa, and Okaloosa counties in northwest Florida. So anytime we have a tornado warning polygon issued for any part of those counties, be sure to join me on the live stream. I'm Spinks Megginson. The current time is 6:05 p.m. with no tornado warnings on the board for anywhere in Alabama. I'm Spinks Megginson saying goodbye for now.